So I said that I would post if it's good or bad. Here we go.
They see you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm so glad that y'all made it. Thank you for all the support. I'm almost at 50 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, but as you see, we're gonna get straight into it. My hair is looking like this. This is how I stretch out my hair after I wash. This is the hair that we will be using today. Now, this is the hair that was voted on.
It's too.
My parts are on horrible. I know I see y'all judging. Child, if y'all can help me, please do. Comment below what I can do so I can have better parts. Question, would you try both colors in your hair? Yeah, so this is the hot mess of the parting whatever that I did. Parted horribly. Everything's just parted to the maximum of horrible. If there was anything better than it being horrible, that's what this is.
Stay in this bed now. Never get out.
So I already got started. I actually wanted to see if I could actually do it. Look at that blue. You guys, it's matching the back, okay? This is such a pretty color. Again, don't mind my part. But this is such a pretty color, and for my first time, I thought I did such a really good job. I'm about to show you in a second how I did it. But look, I'm no professional in this braid and stuff, okay? So first I add the gel, you know what I mean? You need to have them nice and slick down. So I add the gel. Then you will see me break it up into 3 different sections within that one box. So I kept looking away because I was actually watching Sylvia's Love on Prime Videos. Amazing. So now you will see me fumbling with starting the actual braid because I just could not get the motion down with doing it on my head.
Let's stay in this bed now. Never get out.
So I'm just grabbing a small piece and adding it under and holding that piece and just braiding down, honestly. And I just kept doing that. I just kept adding one piece after. I think I braided down like 2.
Cause I know
and I add a piece, and then I braid down 2 more. As you see, fumble fingers here. I could not get I couldn't remember how I was braiding down on my head. But I did really good, but it just was so confusing for me. But like as I am watching, as I was editing the video, I noticed that I kept like doing the braids wrong. Like I would go over 2 times instead of just continue with the regular braid, which caused those little humps and bumps and gaps in the braid. And you will see me touch it in a second and like, oh, how did that get there? It's because I did the same move twice. But yeah, so this is just a horrible attempt of what I'm doing. But hey, it still came out great, I thought. So I'm just continuing the same steps down, and I'm just adding in the blue pieces like I would add in the black pieces.
for you. Cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong. Ignorance will never see. No, wasn't it for me? Why don't you just let it be? I gave you 1, 2, and 3. Time stop wasting my good. Once you're not on your knees. Wasn't it for me? Stop, 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 stop.
See right here, this is what I was talking about. Then I'm just braiding all the way down until I get to the bottom, and then I will place a rubber band on the bottom.
No, can you hear me when I say I'm tired of being no one.
I just really love how pretty this blue is. It's just so pretty and something I've never tried before. Gotta step out your comfort zone. So I finished most of it off camera, so I'm just going to do it again just to show you again how I did it. So again, with the 3 different strands, I start braiding. I add in hair individually in small pieces, and as I go, I just keep braiding down.
Wasn't it for me? You only got one life to live, so don't waste them on these douchebags. I gave you 1, 2, 3 times I wasted my blood. Why is it not on your knees? What's in it for me? What's in it for me? What's in it for me?
So I am all finished, and honestly, I did not really expect to go this long, but hey, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go all out, okay? All the way out. Let's do it.
One thing about you and I see a
So now I have my flexi rods, and I'm just going to wrap it around, wrap it around, because I did not have perm rods, but I had a whole bunch of little flexi rods, so I'm just gonna use those. Now it's time to dip this hair. Y'all, I don't know how y'all do this. I give y'all kudos, high fives, all that. I was literally burning myself. Like, y'all deserve it, for real.
It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called your ace your kingdom, and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called your ace your kingdom, and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time. Always looking for the next best thing. Do it on your own this time around. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, 'cause the life we live one day.
So I did dip the hair about 2 times on each side just so that it can be set. And this is the finished product. Tell me how y'all like it. Do y'all like it? I thought I did good for my first time. What do y'all think? I would really love y'all opinion on how everything went. I was feeling myself a little bit at this point, because yes, this hair is long and pretty. I promise y'all, there was no music playing. I was just hype as hell. Excuse me. Like, I was just mad hype. I have no rhythm and I can't dance. Look, it's just all bad. Sorry, y'all. Thank y'all for watching yet another video. Please tell me, would you wear colors this bold, or do you like to stick to more neutral colors? So comment below which you would like best and if you would try a hairstyle like this. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you could be notified when I release more content. Bye.
Now we gon' way up. Double use as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up.